Francesco, could you start by sharing what inspired you to write software architecture with C Sharp 12 and .NET 8?
Yes, the main point was that this book collects various subjects that are hard to find together in the same place. So I wrote down this book mainly to put everything in something solid, like a book, to collect my experience in something solid, like a book. And now it is also a valid tool for my job, for my advisory job, and for my courses, and also for my customers. It is a valid tool also for my customers.
Okay, wonderful. And Gabriel, how was it for you?
Well, to me, it was a really important mark in my career because it's not something usual to write a book, right? I've been working in the college, in the industry for a long time, and this opportunity to give back to the community a material with, as Francesco said, a complete pipeline of how to create an enterprise solution was really interesting. And there's a satisfaction to by having this opportunity to write something like that. And today I can use the book also, as Francesco said, for in my current career it's possible to apply it also. So it's something that I really enjoy doing, and it was a great opportunity to work with Francesco because we shared a lot of common stats that I guess the reader can check in the book. Looks like it's a single person writing, but we are working together for a long time, and it's been really great to have this.
It was a pleasure for me too, Gabriel.
Yeah, I know that. Thank you, Francesco.